Hide and unhide apps on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Ultra, or S26 Plus, here's the easiest way to do it, anytime you want without using any third-party apps. First, on your home screen, look for the three-dot menu. It may appear at the top or bottom near the app search bar. Then tap Settings. Now, scroll down and select Hide Apps on Home and App screens. Here you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Simply tap any app you want to hide. You can also select multiple apps. The apps you choose will move to the Hidden Apps section at the top. Once you're done, tap Done, and those apps will immediately disappear from your home screen and app drawer. If you still want to use those hidden apps, open Settings, then go to Apps. Here you can find the hidden app. Tap on it and press Open. You can also search for the app from this section. Now, if you ever want to unhide the apps, tap and hold on the home screen and go back to Settings. Open Hide Apps on Home and App screens, and at the top, you'll see the apps that are currently hidden. Simply tap the app you want to unhide. It will be removed from the Hidden section. Then tap Done, and the app will appear back on your home screen. And that's how you can quickly hide and unhide apps on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Thanks for watching till the end.